Hello teachers and welcome to this tutorial. If you're looking for a powerful all-in-one tool to build an amazing classroom community, manage behavior in a positive way, and communicate with parents, Classdojo is your platform. It's very simple to set up. You just have to click on this little button here. This is teacher. And now it's basically going to prompt you to log in to your school, or you can even, just skip that step completely and just get into this kind of dashboard without even having or logging to your school. That is totally fine as well. As you can see here on the left panel, we basically have this sort of, collapse menu that you can collapse back and forth. And you have a lot of, different sections that we will go over. But the most important one is the classes. I was prompted to create a class when I first log into my account. That's what you can see in here, Mr. Tester class. All right, but if you haven't done so, no problem. You can just create one by clicking on new class here. Just select the class name and enter the grade. Okay, in my case, it's going to be 10 grade. And this is going to be like the name here. I'm just going to click on create now. Now, very importantly, guys, you can invite your co-teachers in case that you have any. You just have to introduce basically their names and their emails in case that you have them as contacts, okay? If you teach alone, just click on this button here. Amazing. Now, very importantly, guys, you have to add your students by full name, okay? So just add as many as you want. You can also copy paste them from a Word or from an Excel list if you have one. Now let's click on save. Usually you also want to introduce their emails or their phones in here so the parents know what's going on in the course and they can get notified about their child's behavior. And this is how my class looks at the moment. Now let's go for the fun part. You can encourage positive behavior. Classdojo is built on a point system. Let's say a student, for example, this one here, is doing a great job helping a classmate. What can we do? We can click on this little egg, which is the icon, okay? And this menu is going to pop up in here, guys. What I'm going to do is I'm going to give this guy a point for teamwork. You're going to hear like a ding sound and the point bubble updates in real time. This is fantastic for immediate positive reinforcement. But it's actually more than just points. You want to check the toolkit menu in here. This is actually a teacher's best friend. There's a timer for activities, a randomizer to call on students fairly, and a group maker, which is a lifesaver for assigning group projects. Let's, for example, select the group makers. What I want is I want 2 students per group in here. As you can see, these are going to be randomized. And here you have your team, so the students do not have to pick them themselves. This ensures fair competition and make sure that they all get along. Like I said before, you should invite the families, okay? You should put here like the emails and the phones of the different students, okay? To make sure that they can track the progress. Once parents are connected, you have 2 amazing communication tools. You have the class story in here and also the chat. The class story is like a private Instagram feed for your classroom. You can post photos, activities, share messages, and post reminders. Let's post a message to congratulate the students on the hard work they did today. Like I said before, you can attach a video, a photo, or different files in general. Just click on post. Parents are going to be able to see this on their app and they can even like and comment on it. You can see exactly who has viewed the post, which is great for accountability. And chat is actually pretty self-explanatory. You just have to search for your student's name or just click on it here and just send whatever message you want. Finally, let's talk about empowering students with portfolios. This is a digital portfolio where students can showcase their work. Just go here to portfolios and create a new activities. You just have to assign like a title, which is going to be like the title of the homework and the instruction of the homework, okay? In this case, is draw a picture of your favorite scene from today's book. And of course, because this is a drawing activity, I'm going to select the response type to drawing. And I'm going to assign this activity to the whole class. Let's click on assign to class. And now students can log in from home or on a classroom device, see the activity and complete it right in the app. They can submit drawings, photos, videos, or text entries. And you can see their submissions in here or also on starting login. In any case, you're going to get a notification when they submit their work. You can then approve it and it gets added to their portfolio, which their parents can also see and celebrate. So yeah guys, there you have it. I think this is a fantastic tool for teachers and students, and it's gonna, make sure to engage them and make sure that they learn faster and in a more sustainable way. That's it, and thank you so much.